Howdy ho, this is Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm in low carb maintenance mode. Thank you. Brother Sammy is cleaning out Baxter. Baxter was outside in the rain, and my nanny, big brother Sammy, is helping Baxter get all the rain off of his back. Sammy is such a licker and such a helper. He's so sweet. Such a good big brother you are, Sammy. He's a good big boy. He's a good big brother. Let's get our stuff ready for tomorrow for work. Tomorrow's going to be Tuesday. And it'll be kind of like my Wednesday because, well, actually it's going to be like my Thursday because Wednesday is our Friday. So, got my salad. I'm going to put a little bit of jicama in there. I'm going to kind of rush it along a little bit because this looks like it could get bad anytime now. I'm going to put some tomatoes in there. Now, we're going to put in some of our vinegar. This is our vinegar water from our pickled veg. Okay, you all will be happy to know that I had a poop today in the middle of the day. I have not pooped at work, and I can't tell you how long. If you're a coworker, I'm sure you're quite happy to know that I haven't pooped at work in a while. But today, I don't know what hit me, but I had to poop. There wasn't anything wrong with it. It wasn't like a stomach ache or nothing. I just had an extra poop today. Now I'm just putting in some seasonings. There's some paprika. That was some everything bagel. This is some total seasoning. Luzo back there hacking. And some Greek seasoning. You didn't know you come to my channel to hear about poop and dog hacking. Well, you did. You came here to hear about pooping and dog hacking. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so there's our salad right here. Now, I need some salad dressing. The salad dressing I weigh. This one is still the Walden Farms, Thousand Island, and Skinny Girl poppy seed. I don't know. I don't know, between 60 and 70, somewhere in there. So I'm having a salad tomorrow. And then I am having, maybe, whenever I pulled out my food for tomorrow, my, the other thing is cracked cabbage and ground beef. So I'll have that for supper tomorrow night. And then we're having our Mexican meal tomorrow. I'll probably give a few bites of it away to my coworkers. And then our breakfast is yogurt, cottage cheese, and sausage patty, turkey sausage. So there's that. And let's see. This is how I've been getting my coffee ready at night. Put that right there. Get that ready. I've been getting out my coffee. And instead of using a spoon, I've gotten way lazy. I just take this little jobber. This one's dry. And then I just take it and I scoop it out. Or I scoop it up. And I make sure it gets to the right spot. And then that's how I do it. So I don't even have to dirty up a spoon for that anymore. So there's that. And then I take some, I forgot my chocolate electrolytes this morning. I took a drink and I was like, holy smokes. So these are I made these chocolate electrolytes. You can see the link to the video of me making them in the description of this video. And yeah, there we go. So I'll set this under here, and in the morning I will get me some coffee going. It's 5:40. I think I'm going to skip. I think I'm going to go ahead and make me some sleepy time tea. But y'all don't need to see that. I'm just going to make some sleepy time tea. And yeah, I'm going to start sipping around on that. And I'll see you kids in the morning. You all behave, stay out of trouble, and all that good stuff. Okay, bye. I woke up at 3 o'clock this morning. So I Finally crawled out of bed at 5. Fed these yahoos. I got Baxter on my lap. Oh, my boy. He just digs them feet in. I got pajamas on. I ain't naked. Anyway, I got shorts on. But I got him on my lap. Oh, I did. Now he's going. Anyway, so now I painted my nails. I'm like, what am I going to do at 5 o'clock in the morning? Hi, sweet boy. And so I'm like, well, I guess I'll watch. I watched Lori F&M Lifestyle, and I've watched Nona Grace. And so now I'm watching my own video to see. I watch my own video on the big screen to see if it looks dumb or if it looks okay. Hey, quit nudging my arm, boy. So anyway, so yeah, it is. My alarms are just now starting to go off. It's 6:25 in the morning. So now I'm like, all right, well, I got to kill time because I can't leave for another 30 minutes. So I'll just watch Terri Toodaloo on the big screen instead of on my little phone. I told y'all I've been awake since 3 o'clock, and it's 7:40. I am starving. So my stomach has been growling since 3 o'clock. But I've been able to push it off, and now I'm like, okay, Terri, you can eat now. I just, you know, if I ate at 3 o'clock, then I'd be hungry again at like 6 o'clock. And then I'd be hungry again at like 10 o'clock. So, yeah, so I try to push it back as far as I can. But anyway, so yogurt cottage cheese. That's a new one, huh? Just kidding. And my turkey sausage. I have 1 or 2 more days left of it. I think I have 2 more days left of it. And then I'll be switching over to my burgers. I figure what I'll do is when I get home from my friends on Thanksgiving, I will cook up the burgers then. So then that way, come the next morning, I'll have some ready to go. I don't have enough breakfast to get through Friday. I mean, I know I could do eggs, but just to get it going and ready so I can see how it's going to work. But, all right, bye. Hey, it is lunchtime, and we have a webinar. We're changing insurances this year, and it's pretty cool. They're having a webinar, so they're just going to tell us all about it. So this is my, I made some refried beans out of black soybeans. And then my riced chicken. You can just Google Terri and rice chicken. I made this. I think it was last week and the video came out. Anyway, but I have a playlist, and it's called Meal Preps. And I have meal preps, and then also have one called Sunday Specials. And so the rice chicken will be in there, and so this whole meal will be in there. Anyway, so I basically was making like a whole, just like I went to a Mexican restaurant. So it had beans and rice and steak and onions and peppers, like a steak fajita. That and my salad. And then today I got another Envy apple. Yesterday's apple was a little on the mealy side. I guess it's just kind of a crapshoot now going forward. Oh, and it didn't taste the same. So it's funny, I saw a TikTok the other day that there's a difference in apples. And that the longer ones, the longer narrow ones, those are male apples. And then the more rounder ones, shorter, rounder ones, these are female apples. And supposedly, these are sweeter. Now, I don't know. That's just what I saw on TikTok. And you know how that is. So, okay, bye. Hey, so maybe this is a fluke, but this apple is better. So, I don't know. You try out a long one and a short round one and see which one you like better. But I like this one better. Okay, bye. So, I got a lecture from my coworkers today. Because I was telling them that when I wash my grapes, I use the Dawn Power Wash. And when I use it for washing tomatoes, and they were making fun of me. They said that it's bad. And then they Googled it, and the CDC says it's bad. And I'm like, I drank out of a garden hose. If that didn't kill me. Well, anyway, so they lectured me. So they said, what if some of your people that follow you do it? I said, well, if somebody's dumb enough to do what I do, then I can't help it. Anyway, so I guess I better put a PSA out there. Don't use power wash on your vegetables. And if I do it, I ain't going to tell you about it no more. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do it ever again. Okay, bye. So I ran to Walmart to pick up a fruit tray for tomorrow, for Thanksgiving, and a fruit bowl for Thanksgiving. So I'll take both of these with me to my friend's house. I'm going to leave them in these bags. They're always like wet. It always drives me nuts whenever you buy these things because they're wet. So I'm just going to leave them in the bags, and then I'll figure out how I want to serve it, how I want to take it the day of. But in the meantime, I'll just leave them in these containers. They're nice and sealed up, and they're in the bag, so they're not touching anything. All right, let's get supper. All right, so tonight, I have several of these, so you're going to see them several times in a row, y'all. It's my 80-20 ground beef. And some of my cabbage, my sauteed cabbagey vegetables. Got some, I put the asparagus down in there too. So anyway, so yeah, when y'all see me do something that's not too safe or whatever, listen, I am a firm believer in natural selection, you know. I mean, you know, maybe if we take some of the signs, the do not do signs in the world, it might kind of, you know, kind of weed out some of the issues in the world. But until that happens, don't do as I do. Do what I say. Don't do what I say, not what I do. All right, so we're going to add some of this G-Hue stir fry in it today. And we're going to add a little bit of this General So. Yeah, they were like traumatized that I did it. Oh my gosh, that's got to be a chemical reaction. And oh my gosh. You don't tell your people to do that. I don't tell my people to follow me to do that. But, you know, I can't stop somebody from doing something. But anyway, so yeah. For all safety purposes, I guess don't use power wash. Anyway, I'm still alive. So I watch these tomatoes. I'm still alive. Okay. Alright. I'll microwave that and I'll see you in a minute. Like that old saying goes, if your friends jump off a bridge, would you jump off a bridge? If I jump off a bridge, please don't jump off a bridge, y'all. It might look fun. We might be bungee jumping or something. No, I'm just kidding. I would never bungee jump. Nope, that's too much. I'm not that big of a risk taker. I'm willing to risk my life and limb by using Dawn Power Wash on my food. But I'm not willing to risk my life and limb by bungee jumping. Yep, bunny. We all have our lines. We all have our lines that we won't cross, and mine is bungee jumping. Probably zip lining too. I don't know how to do that either. I like my feet on the ground. But I will sit in an airplane. I'm okay with that. Gotta wipe off this edge. Because when I hold it, I'll show you how I hold it. The way I usually hold it while I'm eating it is with my thumb hanging on it. And I hate when my thumb gets all wet and goopy. But it's hot right now. So, I'll tell you what. These dogs were sassy today. I got home. Oh my goodness. I opened up the dog door. They go running outside. They were having themselves a grand time. They were just, Callie was just, oh my gosh. She was just charging Sammy and eating his face off. And then he was running back into her. And they'd run. I hear this sound. And they'd be chest bumping each other. Dogs don't paw bump, they chest bump. Alright, let's see how this tastes. Other than hot. Let's put some sesame seeds in there. Alright. Now, alright, so that's my supper. So yeah, don't be a member of the natural selection team. And don't spray your food with power wash. There, if you're watching, coworkers, I said it. And my fruit. And I'm having extra fruit today because I'm traumatized by not being allowed to use power wash anymore. All right.